In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Chrome Remote Desktop. Chrome Remote Desktop lets you access your computer securely over the internet from another device. It works across Windows, Mac, and Linux, and you can even connect from mobile, so it's perfect for grabbing files, running apps, or helping someone troubleshoot without being in the same room. First, set up the computer you want to control. On that computer, open Google Chrome. Go to the Chrome Remote Desktop Setup page. In the section labeled Set up Remote Access, click the Download button. Chrome will guide you to install the Chrome Remote Desktop extension and a small piece of host software. Follow the prompts on screen and allow the installer to make changes if asked. When setup continues, choose a name for this computer. Pick something descriptive you'll recognize later, like Office PC or Media Server. Next, create a PIN with at least 6 numbers. This PIN is required each time you connect, so make it memorable to you but hard for others to guess. Avoid simple sequences. When you're done, click Start or Enable. That's it. This computer is now ready for remote access. To connect from another computer, open Chrome and go to the Chrome Remote Desktop Access page. Sign in with the same Google account you used during setup. Under Remote Devices, you'll see the computer name you just created. Select it, enter your PIN, and confirm. In a moment, your remote desktop will appear. You can use the keyboard and mouse as if you were sitting right there, move files around, and open applications normally. When you're finished, simply close the remote window to end the session. A few important tips to keep everything running smoothly. The host computer must stay powered on and connected to the internet. If it's off or asleep, you won't be able to reach it. Chrome itself doesn't need to stay open after setup, so you can close the browser. Remote sessions are encrypted end-to-end for security, adding a strong layer of protection alongside your PIN. If you can't connect, check common blockers like a strict firewall, antivirus settings, or an active VPN. Also review power and sleep settings on the host to prevent it from dozing off during the day. And that's all you need to start using Chrome Remote Desktop confidently and securely from anywhere.